If you want to get some more information about how you can lose weight super quick, like 31 days quick on the keto diet, then stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Ambersharniece, and today's video, if you have not guessed by the title, it is about the keto diet. So I know I told you guys I was going to get back to getting onto the keto diet later on after I've had the baby. Well, I've had the baby, although I'm not starting back on the keto diet just yet for myself. I do want to help you guys get your summer body ready while we're inside the house quarantining. So by the time that you get out of quarantine, you will have the perfect summer body and you are ready to stretch your stuff on whatever beach or wherever you go to. So okay, so for those of you guys that are not new to my channel, you guys know a while back I was able to lose about 20 pounds in 31 days, super fast, super easy, super quick with the keto diet. And I even created a whole series on my channel about the keto diet and helping other people lose weight as well. For those of you that are new, this is a true story. I did go through this. I was able to lose 20 pounds in 31 days, and that was absolutely mind-blowing. So I had to share it with my followers here on YouTube. So when I shared it here with my followers on YouTube, I also created a 31-day keto diet challenge to get people motivated to lose weight. And with that challenge, there was also a jackpot. So the winner walked away with cash. I think we hosted about 2 or 3 of them on my channel here. So although I'm no longer doing the challenges on the channel to win the jackpot, I did still want to help. I still wanted to give back to you guys so that you guys can, you know, start losing that weight that you've always wanted to lose. So what I have done is I have accumulated all the information, all the details that I provided to you guys over the past couple of years that I provided the keto information, and I merged it all into one little form so that way you can do the 31-day keto diet challenge on your own time. So you wouldn't have to wait on me to host the challenge. I know that I used to get a lot of comments saying, oh man, I wish I was watching your channel beforehand. I would have known about it and I could have signed up for the challenge. During challenges, people would say they wanted to join, it was too late, things of that nature. So I've made it easy for you to go ahead and start your keto diet journey without having to wait on someone else to challenge yourself to do your own 31-day keto diet. I'm going to show you a before picture of myself. This is myself. I was probably around 194 pounds around here. And then I'm going to show you an after picture, and this is myself, and this is about 174 pounds, and that was all lost. All that weight that you see in this picture to this picture was all lost by doing the keto diet. So pretty much, really long story short, I knew I was struggling with my weight. I was going up and down the scale, and I could not figure out why I was just teeter-tottering. I got to a point where I stayed towards the top and never went back down. So I got comfortable with myself, very, very comfortable to the point where I didn't think I was as big as I was, and I kind of like psyched myself out in my mind, like, you're okay, you're fine, until I started having like, knee pains here and there, tired all the time, things of that nature. After I got to that point where I realized, okay, maybe you might be too big, and I was visually seeing it, I was just very unhappy, very upset with how I let myself go. So it was something that we were doing over my in-laws' house. We took a picture. I looked at the picture and was completely disgusted with myself. I was huge, which is what you guys saw in that before picture. I was just over it. I didn't want to deal with it anymore. I just didn't understand how I let myself get to that point. So I decided at that very, very moment to do some research, figure out how I can lose this weight once and for all, because I have tried all kinds of diets. When I tell you guys all kinds of diets, I mean all kinds of diets. So I've tried everything, nothing worked. So it was, what was it? It was July, and I told myself that I really want to lose this weight by my birthday. My birthday is August 31st, and I didn't know how much I was going to be set to lose. I just wanted to lose some weight so that way I can see some type of progress by my birthday. It's summertime. You want to go to the beach, or you want to go, out to the pool. You want to look good, feel good, all that good stuff. So I decided to give myself one entire month where I dedicated and did not cheat on whatever it was that I was going to do, whether that was going to be regular exercising or whatnot. I just wanted to give myself an entire month to do it. I started searching on YouTube's, quick and easy ways to lose weight fast, things of that nature. And I came across a couple of videos talking about the keto diet. I had heard of the keto diet I think a couple of years prior to that. And I was scared of it because I heard that you get keto flu and all this and all that. And me not really knowing what the keto diet is about, I was thinking like you can catch a flu off of a diet. That, okay, I don't want that. I was looking at other videos, reviews of people saying they got so terribly sick. And I was just like, well, I don't want that. Not really knowing what the keto flu was. It's just, part of the diet itself. If you really want to know what the keto flu is, things like that, you can check some of my old videos out where I definitely talked about in depth about that. I'll link them down below. But anywho, so yeah, I was afraid to do it, and then I decided that why not go ahead and try it. So I did more research, I got myself prepared, and I decided to go ahead and do this. So not only did I decide to go ahead and do this, there were a few elements that I wanted to incorporate with me doing the diet, not just doing the diet. I wanted to incorporate, water, intermittent fasting, meal prepping, exercise. I wanted to put all that into me doing this diet to see if I can get the maximum result. I want to see how much weight I could really lose doing this diet and if it could possibly come off and stay off. You guys, I started the diet, like I said, at 194 pounds, and I ended up on the very last day, on the 31st, at 174 pounds. I was able to lose 20 pounds. You guys, 20 pounds off of doing that diet, and like I said, it absolutely blew my mind and it worked. The thing was, when you do something like the keto diet, that is a lifestyle change. I know it's called a diet, but it's a lifestyle change. You just can't do it and expect, the weight to never to come back if you go back to doing the exact same thing that you were doing. You have to develop new habits, and my way of life since then was basically a ketogenic lifestyle. So I was able to lose the weight and to also keep the weight off all the way up until about 9 months ago when I got pregnant. But the thing is, throughout my entire pregnancy, I did not really gain weight until, of course, the very, very end, when you get all the water and all that good stuff inside your body. And of course, the baby is bigger at this point. But you guys, after I gave birth, which was literally about almost a month ago, it'll be the 19th, will be a month ago. I currently weigh 166 pounds. I'm sorry, 166.8 pounds. So I'm even lighter than I was before I even got pregnant. And I am so confident. I just really know that it's because I did the keto diet. Had I been bigger or at that 194, there's no way I would have shrunken down to this size that I'm at now. The keto diet really did this for me, you guys. So throughout the course of my ketogenic lifestyle, I've had friends ask me about it. I've had family ask me about it. I've had, friends of friends ask me about, how to do the keto diet. Well, I'm going to give you this step-by-step guide to exactly how I did the keto diet. In order to get the results that I received, of course, you had to be determined. That's number one, because I was really determined, I was really focused, and you have to follow the challenge to a T. So what I have done is, like I said, I created a ebook that you guys can purchase. It's only $15 on my website, and you can also purchase the meal plan on the website as well. It's only $10. That's been on the website for the longest, and people actually love that product. It's an 8-week meal plan, so of course it takes you throughout your whole 31 days plus some. So if you purchase that as well as the ebook, you can put those together and actually complete the diet. So it's called the DIY 31-Day Keto Diet Challenge on the website. I'll put that up on the screen here. You can just navigate yourself to that website, which is www.ambersketochallenge.com. And if you go on there, go to the products, click on the DIY 31-Day Keto Diet Challenge. You can purchase it there. And like I said, if you're wanting to know about the foods that you can and cannot eat, as well as a meal plan or a meal guide on the website as well. So you can definitely feel free to go ahead and purchase that. Also, you can always refer back to my channel. I still have my keto videos up. So if you're wanting to get, you know, some motivation, if you're wanting to get some more tips and tricks, and just, you know, actually physically see me talk about the keto diet and all the challenges, they are definitely still up. If you're trying to get ready to get the best you, the best body that you can possibly get, then this diet is the diet for you, and you should definitely go purchase that ebook today. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below if you have any questions about the actual guide, or any questions in general about myself, my channel, the keto diet. I'm more than happy to answer your questions there, and subscribe to this channel. So again, thanks so much. Bye bye.